3.7, the section is titled Interpreting Quotient. So I'm not going to show you how to divide again, but I want to show you the three things that can happen. So this first question, let me narrate the scenario for you. I'm spending $5.98 and I am purchasing something that costs 92 cents per yard. So it could be ribbon or something like that. So I spend $5.98 to get ribbon that's 92 cents a yard. So when I divide, I get an answer of 6.5. So what it asks me is how many yards did I get? And I would say the exact answer, I would say 6.5 yards. For this next question, I want to save $28.75 and I can save $5.95 a week. So I've started the question and I subtracted and I've gotten to the point where this is 5.8, maybe it's 5.9. It doesn't really matter because it's probably 8. Well, let me check. 8 times 5 is 40, carry the 4, 72, 76, carry the 7, 32, 39, okay, and subtract. And you might be thinking, why am I not making too much of a deal about the exact answer here? Well, the reason that is if I'm going to save $4.95 a week and I want $28.75, okay, I could end up a little bit over, whatever, but I can't end up under, and I can't really have part of a week. So as soon as I got to this part where this is going to be 5.8 or 5.9, I would say that it's going to take me 6 weeks. I kind of have to go up with that one, right? Then the last kind of question is when it asks you how many of something you can fill. So let's say I have 70 eggs, okay? And I'm putting these eggs in containers that hold 12 eggs. Okay, well, if I divide, this will be 5, 60, subtract, 8 is 96, subtract. Okay, it's not ending, and I'm not going to say I can fill 5.83 containers of eggs. I can only completely fill 5 containers. If it asks how many containers can you totally fill, I can only fill 5. And I wouldn't say that I can fill 0.83 of a container necessarily. If it words it, what can you totally fill, I kind of have to round down. If it says how long will something take, if you're having to get to a point and you're slightly under, then you have to round up. And in some situations, your question, you'll want to keep your exact answer, and you actually have to decide by what the situation is. That's it for 3.7.